Welcome to IndusAyush. I show you how to create a new account. To begin, click on the Create an Account button on the home page. First, select your membership type. You can choose either single or family. Then choose your prefix and enter your name. Next, provide your date of birth and select your gender from the drop-down. Next, type in your email address and mobile number. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP here to verify your contact. You can also enter your other number, which is optional. After that, fill in your address, check the terms and conditions box, and click on Create Account. Once you create your account, you will be redirected to the membership plan page. Here, select your preferred membership. You can choose free trial, 1 year or 2 years. If you have a promo code, enter it in the promo code field. Now, click on the payment button and complete the payment process. After successful payment, your login credentials will be sent to your register email. Use those credentials to log in and start using IndusAyush. That completes the registration process.